We're busybody kids, hey! Get ready for some learning, laughing, and games. At busybody kids, we always love to play.
Let's go! Not with this one. This one we need to be careful.
Huh?
Okay. Woo! Come on, let's go plan something else.
Okay.
Oh,
That's it.
wait. Whoa! What is that? Whoa! Look at that! It's a ladybug.
I take it?
Yeah. What color is the ladybug?
It's red.
It's red. And what's this on his back? It's spots. How many spots does the ladybug have?
It's red.
Yeah, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots.
I look at that.
What's up there? Whoa, there's a spider on the spy. Wow, spiders are different to other insects because they have 8 legs instead of 6. They've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I slipped.
Oh, did you slip down the slide?
Yes.
Let's see if the spider will go down the slide. You ready? Can you catch him?
Yes.
So, whoa, good catch. Come on, let's go see what else we can find.
Okay. That's
Yeah, it's all splashy on the floor. Come on, let's go climb up here.
Okay. Let's try it. It's trying. Let's try it.
Good job. Good job.
A snake.
Do you see a snake? Where? At the bottom of the slide?
Yes.
Careful. Whoa, look at that.
No.
Wow, this snake is black, yellow, and orange and red.
Out the slide.
Are you going to kick the snake off the slide? Whoa! Boom!
That's it.
You got it. Come on, let's go see what else we can find. Oh, are you going to take the lizard around?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. Yes, I help you. All right, come on. What?
This is a mango fish. Ow!
Okay, let's go. Oh, no, there's a bee. Yeah.
Whoa!
Look at that.
This is a bee.
Yeah, it's a bee.
It makes something else.
Okay, where do you want to play? What do we want to play with next? Whoopsie! I almost stepped on a grasshopper.
Hey.
I almost didn't see him because he's camouflaged into the grass.
No.
Yeah, camouflage means that he fits in his surroundings. And he matches the color of his surroundings so predators don't find him. Yeah. What color
There's
is it?
something else.
You want to go see if there's something else? Let's go.
What is this?
Oh no, I almost got poked by... This is a rhino beetle. Yeah, it looks like a rhino because it has a horn, just like a rhino does. Yeah.
It makes something else.
Okay, let's go. Whoa, what's that? It's ants. Now, ants are really cool. Did you know ants can carry up to 50 times their weight?
See, up is here.
Yeah, should we walk up there?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Slide. Mommy, you go first.
Okay, let me try. Oh no, I don't know if mommy's gonna fit. Oh, that.
My turn. It's my turn.
Yay! Good job.
Slide.
My time?
Yeah.
Okay.